17 plate BMW 330d M Sport. We have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We also have LED headlights, black kidney girls, M Sport styling kit, which includes front splitter, side skirts and boot spoiler. Let's look, another alloy wheel with the M Sport brake calipers. We also have black window trim with privacy glass, shark fin antenna. There's a look, another alloy with the M Sport logo popping through. We also have front and rear parking sensors. We also have dual exhaust flush the rear bumper and rear diffuser. If we go to the boot, we have a nice spacious sized boot with storage on the left and the right hand side. Pop that down. There's a look at that boot spoiler. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. There's a look at another alloy wheel. If we go to the back of the car, we have full Dakota leather seats with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders. In the for extra storage room, the rear seats do fold down. We have electric windows with integrated harmonic garden speakers. Move to the front of the car, let's look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat. We have extended thigh support if you may need it, electric windows and again integrated harmonic garden speakers. Jump inside the car, we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start. On the multifunction steering wheel, we do have cruise control and speed limiter, and we also have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. This vehicle has done just over 38,900 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We also have auto wipers, satellite navigation, we have media connectivity, DAB radio, phone connectivity. Put into reverse, we have front and rear parking sensors, if you can just see that. We have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. We also have heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings, they do warm up very quickly. We have 2 nice sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity, traction control on and off, parking sensors on and off. We have different drive modes. So if you click that, we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath. And there's a look at the passengers. Full leather seat with extended thigh support. This vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. As HPI Clear comes with a fresh service, new MOT, we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of 2017 17 plate BMW 330d M Sport. The purpose of this video is to show the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We have cruise control and speed limiter to activate on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. At the bottom, push the button, use the toggles to push up or down, and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. To cancel, either tap the brake or push the button twice and it'll cancel. We also have paddle shift, so we're going to take over in 6th, 5th, 4th, back up to 5th, and 6th. We're going to let the car take back over. And around the I'm going to take it left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. As well as the paddle shift, you can also put the car into manual mode by pushing the gear stick to the left, which will also activate the sports gear changes as well as the manual gear changes. So you can push up and it'll go down, so I'm in 3rd, and just go up, pull towards you, so I'm in 4th, in 5th, and there we go. To let the car take back over, simply push the gear stick to the right and it'll take back over for you. We do have satellite navigation as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth media connectivity, phone connectivity. We have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. When you're in the sport settings, you can also see what newton meters of torque you're using and what kilowatts of power you're using as well. We have very comfortable full leather seats with extended thigh support, so you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. And for cold days like today, we also have heated seats, which makes all the difference. As you've heard on the test drive so far, there's not been any unwanted knocks or bangs, which you'd be looking out for if you're driving this vehicle today. Here at RS Car Sales, we've been doing deliveries the past 3-4 years now. With the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Us, we feel like we're quite well prepared. Before, we did nationwide next day delivery, we now do contactless nationwide next day delivery. And we also sanitise our hands and the keys before we get to any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. Right now, I'm coming up to the industrial estate where I'm going to take a right. For an emergency stop, I'm going to put it straight into reverse, just to show you that the brakes work as they should, and also the front and rear parking sensors. So here we go. Just pulling in now. Hard on the brakes, straight into reverse, and you can see the front and rear parking sensors working as they should there. Straight back into drive, no issues whatsoever. We do accept part exchanges, so feel free to get in contact. We also do FaceTime videos where we can answer all your questions that we may have forgotten, and also show you around the vehicle if we may have forgotten anything that you want to see. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.